Hello, welcome to the moving vlogs. So I am on my way to my parents' house to execute that little DIY project that we had in mind for my wall with the ugly wallpaper that I don't like. So I bought all the supplies, the fabrics and the ribbons, and I'm going to do that with my mom now. So we'll update you on that. Good morning. Well, it's actually not morning anymore. It's Saturday, so it's been a few days since I filmed, and the last thing I showed you was probably our DIY project with my mom with a curtain. We still did not hang it up. I think tomorrow my parents are gonna come for lunch, and yeah, then we're going to do that. Look at the little pretty flower bouquet my boyfriend sent me. So cute. But yeah, I think in this part I'm already going to include a lot of organizing and rearranging the drawers things, because I just got the first portion of my organizers. They're currently on the floor. So I got all types of containers for basically, I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but probably just things like flour, sugar, and different things like that. I also have this organizer here, which is going to go in my cutlery drawer, and I got these two little things for more storage in the fridge, because as you can see, I have this like one shelf that's super big. I feel like I could fill more stuff there. So yeah, I did not even eat yet. It's already 12. And oh, I also hung up this poster here. Didn't even hang it up, but these like ugly ones that I want to replace are literally just sticked to the wall, so I cannot do anything about it. And actually a frame of this size perfectly just goes on top of it and holds somehow. I don't know how, but yesterday I was so paranoid about it falling. I put pillows on the floor and nothing happened so far, so I think we're good. I have no plan, which does not make this any easier, and I also don't have that many things yet, but I'm just going to put everything I have. I also need to measure. I don't even know what, like, there's so many random sizes. I got this one because it said 1,500 milliliters, so I was like, okay, that should be the size of pasta. I did not like see the measurements. It's not the size of pasta, so I'll have to buy another one that's bigger. I guess it has to be like 3 liters or something, I don't know. Okay, I have no tripod at the moment, so I couldn't properly film this, but this is what we're dealing with. Of course, made a mess, but it's fine. This is looking so nice. I have one empty one still, because obviously I'm gonna buy more stuff. And some of these just don't make sense really, because I only got one of these because I thought this would be like a really big size, but it's not. So I'm gonna buy probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of those. Because yeah, for example, flour doesn't fit here, so I have some leftovers, so I need to buy ones that like are going to make sense for me, so that I don't need to have those leftover packages. I just can like fill it in and throw it out, because otherwise this is like a double job, like it doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm going to buy a few more of those because I just didn't realize the proportion of those. Oh, and the most satisfying thing is this. Just look at this. Ah, it goes in perfectly. I'm so happy about this. Which also makes me realize that a big pasta one is not going to fit here. So I'll probably just store my long spaghetti like this. Because, yeah, there's no other way. I can't just like store it like this, you know? So this will be my biggest container. And now I'll just put it all in the next clip. Yeah, so that's the situation right now. Obviously this will be rearranged because there will be more big ones. And yeah. Hello people, it's the next day after we were installing my wall curtain with my parents. You can tell I am out of breath, but I just carried a few more packages, of course, and I just wanted to show you fast before I go pick up my IKEA order. So this is how the wall turned out. So as you can see, it's not fully covering the wall. I asked the lady that was selling it to us, I asked my mom several times to check, and everyone is saying it's not gonna be transparent, but it is transparent. So that's, yeah, that's the situation. But honestly, I don't hate it. I thought I would hate it, but I actually like it like that because listen up. My hands were too shaky, but like basically it looks like there's like something there, but you don't see it that much. But I think also like it depends on how I rearrange those foldings parts. And yeah, it's basically like from some angles you can see it a lot, from some angles barely. But yeah, there's something about this. Maybe in the future, if I actually decided I don't like it, hopefully my boyfriend's gonna come to me soon, and he's very tall, and it would be easier for him to like to hang an additional layer of not transparent fabrics beneath this. And maybe I would just do this project again with him. Because yeah, the part that I was worried about was it even hanging. But yeah, I think I slept one night with it and nothing fell, so I think it's pretty secure. And for now, this is the situation. My little cute nightstand. I love it. My mom rearranged it a bit and I really like it. And yeah, it's more kind of like a, I don't know, cozy space now. I also ordered some Passepartout things. I don't know if you know what that is, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on the screen now because I'm so tired of those art pieces that were in my apartment when I moved in, and I finally want to put something else there. But the thing is that those frames are literally glued to the wall and you can't even take out the art. So I bought those things, and I'm going to print out the art and just put it on top of it with, I don't know, tape probably or something, because this thing is actually fully plastic, so I'm not going to ruin it. That's the latest update. I finally got a coffee filter machine thing, and here are a few more of the containers, because as you can remember, I only bought the small ones last time. And now I'm gonna pick up my IKEA order with all the organizational things, and my friend Julia is coming for dinner today, so I think she's gonna help me finally organize my shelves, so that's exciting. Yay! And came with filters. So I got the big ones, and I also got these two little containers. Yeah, so I got these two little containers that I'm going to use for cleaning. This one's going to be like the, you know, the wash, the table wash solution, and this one's going to be for my kitchen soap, because yeah, I honestly got these only because I had like €5 till free shipping, and then those both were just like the price of the shipping, and I thought it would be cute to just have aesthetic cleaning supplies too, so that is nice. And yeah, I also have the big containers. I got 1, 2, 3, or 5 of those. So now I just need more food to put in the containers, because my fridge and pantry are pretty empty still, because I did not realize how much effort it takes to fill the space with all of those like basic foods that you usually just have, like rice or whatever. So I don't know if I'm gonna go to the supermarket today or tomorrow to get more stuff, but yeah, let's take my IKEA order now. That was really hard and very heavy. I did end up getting some groceries and bringing my IKEA packages, so now I'm just going to wait for my friend and handle that with her. Okay, this is how the shoes turned out. Actually happy about that. Really nice. All of my heels are like nicely there in the back now, because I don't wear them that much. And the front row is the shoes that I wear the most, and the middle like sometimes. And here these 2 pairs don't fit into the organizers, so I just put them on top, and 1 pair of heels there. Oh, sorry, sneakers. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, and now it's time for the lingerie organization, because yeah, all of my socks and underwear have been in this huge bin, and I want to nicely organize it here. Okay, so this is the situation right now. I put my shoes there, like the home slash taking out the trash shoes. Then I have this whole thing with my laundry, and then there in the back, this is like my homeware and my pajamas and my working out sets. One of those is going to go up there and is going to hide all of the ugly stuff that I don't usually use. And then here are going to go some of the small containers, so we'll see which ones fit where. Okay, so here I put my medicine and then like refills of the cleaning stuff, and there I put toilet paper and just some stuff that I don't use too often, just like bags, random stuff that I just want out of my sight. So I feel like this has more structure now, and still not much structure here, but I feel like this is working for me right now. Right after I picked my posters, I got the passport 2 thingies for my smaller wall art, so it's perfect. set up. Excuse my voice because I'm a bit sick, but I love how it turned out. I put my favorite one of the bunch that I found next to the entrance. Then I have a little Tyler tarot card here, which I love. And here are the 4 beautiful posters. I love it this way too. And then I have this cute little painting by this artist. It was made for Gucci. I just love the illustration. So yeah, that is the update. It's much more personal now. So yeah, it's the next day and this is how it's looking for now with all the posters. I really like it. Yeah, I ordered a few final things. Well, it's not like it's final, but for me to say just like, yeah, this apartment is completely done with all the things that I wanted to do with it with the beginning, from the beginning. Yeah, so I'm going to receive those things and unpack them and everything and show you guys the final product in the next video, I think. Yeah, I just checked the amount of footage and it will be the next video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one and I hope you'll like how the apartment is coming together, and I'll see you guys soon.